17 car features that look cool but destroy your car over time. They look amazing, they sound futuristic, and they feel like cutting-edge luxury. But what if I told you that many of the coolest car features are actually destroying your car's long-term health and reliability? These flashy features might impress your friends, but behind the scenes, they're draining your wallet, shortening your car's life, and leading to expensive repairs you never saw coming. And the worst part? Most drivers don't realize the damage until it's too late. So if you care about your car's reliability, resale value, and your hard-earned money, smash that like button, subscribe to Car Care Expert, and watch this video until the end. Because feature number 17 will shock even the most experienced car owners. Let's jump in. Number 1. Panoramic sunroofs. They give your cabin an open, luxurious feel. But panoramic sunroofs are heavy and high maintenance. The massive glass adds weight to your car, affecting fuel efficiency and center of gravity. Over time, the rubber seals wear out, allowing water to seep into your cabin. That moisture can damage the headliner, corrode electronics, and even rot out the roof frame. And if the sunroof motor fails, expect a $1,500 repair bill. In cold climates, glass cracks are even more common. That luxury view? It could cost you thousands down the road. Next up, a fake feature that silences real problems. Number 2. Fake engine sound systems. Some cars pump artificial engine noise through speakers to make them sound more powerful. While it sounds sporty, it can hide real engine problems. You won't hear a misfire, rough idle, or knocking sound because the speakers are masking everything. This delays your reaction to actual mechanical issues, leading to costly repairs later. Plus, you're not driving the car based on how it feels. You're reacting to artificial noise. That can lead to over-revving, fuel inefficiency, or worse. Coming up, flashy wheels that break your suspension. Number 3. Oversized rims and low-profile tires. Sure, big rims look amazing, but they're a hidden maintenance nightmare. Low-profile tires have thinner sidewalls, so they absorb less shock from potholes and bumps. This puts extra stress on your suspension, shocks, struts, and even wheel bearings. Tire blowouts are also more likely. Plus, oversized rims often cause speedometer errors and reduce fuel economy. Replacement tires for these setups can cost $1,000 plus per set. The bling comes at a price. Next, a trendy upgrade that can fry your electrical system. Number 4. LED light bars and excessive exterior lighting. Aftermarket LED bars and underglow lights look cool, but they can overload your vehicle's electrical circuits. If they're not installed professionally, they may draw power from sensitive systems, blowing fuses or even damaging your alternator. On top of that, they often violate local vehicle codes, leading to tickets or inspection failures. And some LEDs can interfere with onboard electronics like radios, sensors, or even the ECU. Think twice before adding that glow. Coming up, the convenience feature that makes your car super easy to steal. Number 5. Keyless entry and push-to-start systems. No key? No problem. Until a thief uses a relay attack to boost your fob signal and drive off with your car. Push-start systems are one of the easiest targets for modern car thieves. And if the push-button module fails, you could get stranded. Replacements can cost $500 to $1,500, and reprogramming isn't cheap either. These systems also constantly talk to the car, slowly draining your battery over time. Great for convenience, terrible for security. Up next, comfort that can ruin your seats and wallet. Number 6. Ventilated and massaging seats. Who doesn't love cooled or massaging seats? But behind the comfort is a complex system of tiny fans, motors, and wires, all of which can fail with time. Moisture from spills or sweat can short out circuits under the seat, triggering airbag errors or power issues. And the worst part? These components aren't usually sold separately, so if the cooling or massage fails, you might need a full seat replacement costing over $1,000. Next, a fuel-saving trick that quietly destroys your engine over time. Number 7. Auto start-stop technology. This feature automatically turns your engine off at red lights and restarts it when you hit the gas. Sounds efficient, right? But frequent restarting wears out your starter motor, battery, and crankshaft bearings. It can also lead to stalling, jerky takeoffs, and premature wear on engine components. For what? 1 to 2 mpg in savings? Most drivers disable it, and for good reason. Long-term, it could cost you thousands in repairs. Let's look at a futuristic door design that traps drivers outside. Number 8. Flush door handles. They look sleek and modern until they freeze in the winter or jam from dust and debris. These motorized or sensor-based handles are popular on luxury EVs, but when they fail, you're stuck outside your own car. Repairs often require dismantling the door panel and replacing expensive components. They're also more prone to malfunction after years of use, especially in extreme climates. Coming up, smart cruise systems that eat your brakes alive. Number 9. Adaptive cruise control. It adjusts speed automatically and follows traffic, but adaptive cruise control uses your brakes far more often than a human would. This leads to premature brake wear and excessive pad replacements. If the radar sensor gets dirty or misaligned, the system might fail altogether, requiring recalibration or replacement costing $800 plus. Also, in fog, snow, or heavy rain, it becomes unreliable, adding risk instead of removing it. Next, a helpful camera system that costs thousands to fix. Number 10. 360-degree cameras. Surround view cameras are great for parking until one lens cracks or a wire fails. These systems rely on 4 or more cameras and often can't be fixed individually. If one goes down, the whole system crashes. And replacing the cameras or control unit can cost upwards of $1,500. Plus, they're fragile, exposed to rain, road salt, and dirt, all of which speed up failure. Now, a suspension upgrade that breaks the bank when it breaks. Number 11. Air suspension systems. These offer cloud-like comfort, but they're among the most failure-prone components in modern cars. The air struts, compressors, and control modules often fail after 70,000 to 100,000 miles. Repairs are frequent and expensive, sometimes $3,000, $6,000 per axle. If one corner drops, the entire balance is off. Many owners end up converting back to steel springs just to stop the bleeding. Now let's talk about those animated dashboards. Number 12. Digital instrument clusters. Digital speedometers and dash displays are flashy, but they're far more fragile than analog gauges. One failed pixel or screen glitch can render your speed unreadable, which is illegal to drive with in many places. Replacing a digital cluster can cost over $2,000, especially if it's tied to your car's ECU or infotainment. Worse, software updates can cause bugs, and that means dealer-only fixes. Next, a silent killer feature that cooks your engine slowly. Number 13. Engine covers and underhood sound insulation. They look clean and quiet things down, but these plastic engine covers and insulation blankets can trap heat, causing components to age prematurely. They also make diagnosing leaks and issues more difficult because you can't see anything. Mechanics often remove them anyway. They offer little real benefit and can accelerate the wear on hoses, sensors, and coils due to excess heat buildup. Now, a tech trick that gives thieves full control of your vehicle. Number 14. Wireless car apps and remote access. Many cars now let you control them via smartphone apps. Start the engine, unlock doors, adjust the climate. But here's the downside. Hackers can gain access too. If your app account is compromised, someone could steal your car remotely. And these systems often track your data, from speed to location, which some insurance companies use to raise your premiums. High tech? Yes. High risk? Absolutely. Let's talk about touchscreens replacing everything, including safety. Number 15. Touchscreen-only controls. Modern cars ditch buttons for giant touchscreens, but here's the problem. You now need to navigate menus just to adjust the AC or defrost your windshield. That's dangerous while driving. These screens also age poorly, with many owners complaining of lag, freezes, or dead pixels. Replacements? Easily $1,500 to $3,000. You lose functionality, usability, and safety, all for a tech gimmick. 2 more left, and the next one might be hiding mold in your cabin. Number 16. Fragrance and perfume diffuser systems. Built-in scent dispensers sound fancy, but they can clog, leak, and introduce moisture into your HVAC system. Some even cause mold to grow in air ducts if not maintained properly. That mold gets blown directly into the cabin, affecting your health and your car's resale value. Cleaning mold from AC vents requires professional treatment, which isn't cheap. Skip the built-in scent and go old school. And finally, the feature that's all talk and no durability. Number 17. Active Aero components, spoilers, vents, louvers. Active aerodynamics like moving spoilers, air vents, or retractable fins may boost fuel economy slightly or add downforce at high speeds, but they're loaded with tiny motors and sensors that are exposed to dirt, salt, water, and road debris. Over time, they fail, and when they do, they often lock into place, causing warning lights, drag, and high repair costs. It's a race feature pretending to be practical, and it rarely lasts. And there you have it, 17 car features that may look high-tech and stylish, but behind the scenes, they're quietly destroying your car and draining your wallet. Did any of these surprise you? Have you had one of these features break down on you? Tell us in the comments below. Your experience might save another driver thousands. If you found this helpful, smash that like button, subscribe to Car Care Expert, and turn on notifications so you never miss critical car-saving videos like this one. Because at Car Care Expert, we don't just drive, we drive smart.